Okay, so today, first, if you guys did not finish your Ed puzzle of Chris Hadfield's TED Talk, what I learned from going blind in space, please do so. And then I'm going to have you play a Phet computer game. It's actually a lot of fun. It's called Energy Skate Park. And so this will be an assignment in Google Classroom. And I do want everyone to turn in this assignment. There's a document attached, but be sure to help your teammates out and work collaboratively. Just a heads up, Friday will be a catch-up day. That way you can finish the Ed puzzle, finish the Phet Energy Skate Park, and then I'll have some extra games and activities you guys can do in science. Okay, so if we go to the Energy Skate Park assignment, it has a link for us to click. I want you to first play around with the intro tab. So if you click on that link, it will take you here to Phet Interactives, and you want the intro one. And I just want you to play around, see what happens. You can add the skater here. You can look at the energy bar chart. There's a pie chart. Speed, you could look at her path. You can play around with friction, lots, none, medium, gravity. You can change who your skater is or what their mass is. Okay, so now she's bigger. Maybe I want a dog skating. That sounds cool to me. And so I just want you to first investigate. Okay, I can reset that. So I want you first to investigate and see what happens. What do you notice? What happens to the kinetic energy, potential, speed? And then I do have a lab sheet that I would like you to work on completing as you play the Phet simulation game. So if you click on that, it will take you to the lab sheet. And so I give you some prompts, what happens when you make friction and gravity 0. And I tried to include some pictures, that way you could see where some of these buttons are. And so then part 2, you'll go to the measurement tab. And so on the Phet simulation, you can click measure, and there is this measurement tool here, and so you can move that to various places along the track and measure the value of kinetic and potential and thermal and total energy. All right. So that's for part 2. And last, for part 3, you get to play. So if you go to the Phet simulation and you click down here to playground, you get to build your own track. And so you have to click on the track and drag it, and you can, move the pieces of track along. You can add more sections of track. You could build a loop, which would be pretty cool. And so then whenever you're ready, you could set your skater on there and I'll see what happens. All right. So again, our goal is to first just investigate the simulation, but then we definitely want to make sure we are working through all 3 parts of the activity. First with the intro, then we'll do some measuring, and last, then we'll go to the playground to build our own track. All right, so again, for Thursday's assignment, your goal is to finish the Chris Hadfield video, what I learned from going blind in space, and then your next task is to work on the Phet Energy Skate Park activity. That's this one here. And just a reminder, Friday, you guys will have a catch-up day / some fun extra activities to do. Be good, and I hope to see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.